This is from Harriet. I read somewhere that you're supposed to change your windshield wipers every year. That seems extravagant. Is it true?
Actually, it's every 6 months, Harriet. So you're close. Wow. Because what happens is if you run a winter blade and you live in the upper half of the country, you see snow.
Right.
Unless you're running what they call a beam blade, which is on a flat blade. When you lift it up, it sort of drops. It looks like it hangs.
Yeah.
That would be a beam blade. But otherwise, a regular wiper blade is only good for 6 months. It's only made of rubber, so it's exposed to salt. It's exposed to the sun and rain and the constant movement across your windshield. So it basically work hardens is what it's called from a technical term.
Right.
And the rubber fatigues.
Right.
So that anything rubber should be replaced or looked at least every 6 months.
I don't think we do that at all.
Basic
I don't know that we've ever, I don't know that we've ever changed our windshield wipers until they kind of fall off.
Oh, that's too late. Then you scratch your windshield. But think of it this way. 80% of your driving decisions are based on visibility.
Right.
So if you can't see and your headlights are dim and your wiper blades aren't working, they need to be replaced.
Right. Okay, I got that now.
Okay.